the darkness of night, the engine roars, fighting through shadows, fear no more. Demons approach with eyes ablaze, but my heart beats strong, I'm set to raise. I'll cut away the pain, bleeding but I won't kneel. A scream of determination, rebirth in every battle. I'll conquer the darkness, I won't hold back. In the storm I'll rise intact. Shattered dreams are behind. Life's a war but I won't resign. Blades ready, I'll face my fate. In this chaos, I'll find my way. I'll cut away the pain, bleeding but I won't kneel. A scream of determination, rebirth in every battle. I'll conquer the darkness, I won't hold back. In the storm I'll rise intact. Shattered dreams lie behind. Life's a war but I won't resign. With blades ready, I'll face my fate. In this chaos, I'll find my way. I'll cut away the pain, bleeding but I won't kneel. A scream of determination, rebirth in every battle. I'll conquer the darkness, I won't hold back. In the storm I'll rise intact. Flames are dancing, but they won't burn me. With my comrades beside me, never alone we stand free. We are stronger than any beast.